Hey everyone, welcome back to this video, and today we will be creating an entire website, entire weather application using Cursor AI. So what we will gonna do is we will use Cursor AI as our IDE, and we will be using chat as well as compose feature to generate entire weather application. We will also be no manual edits. So subscribe and let's start. Okay, so let's just move to the directory and open new folder and open it with cursor. Okay, so I have added this cursor dot to open the application in the cursor. If you don't know how to install cursor, let me navigate you to the steps. Just search for Google Cursor AI download and you will find this first website, Cursor AI code editor. Just navigate to this. In some seconds it will tell you download for Windows. Just click on this button and it will automatically download as per your system, and just go and install it. It will take some seconds to download based on your internet connection, and it will download the entire application on your machine and you can directly install it. Okay, so now let's move to the application setup. As you can see, this is the application. Let's open a new terminal. Terminal goes here. You can switch the panel from here. Here we have chat as well as composer. So we will first use chat to generate a context, and then we will use composer to give that context and then create the entire application. Okay, here is the prompt. Prompt will be able to find. You can find this prompt in the description. We'll add the link in the description. So what I wrote in this prompt is I wrote entire functionality that I wanted in this application, and I asked ChatGPT. I asked Cursor AI to create a README file so that it will be easier for us to add this in the composer. Okay, it is not created perfectly, but okay, let's ask this entire prompt with the composer itself. Okay, let's the AI do the work. So it will generate the requirement.md file and it will create a file and add that content directly to that file. So here you can see like this file is now not created yet, so I will create the file and then let's add the content from here. Just click on this copy button, control paste. What is this? Okay, let's manually copy this because it's not rewritten in markdown. So let's copy and paste this. And then copy this. We can also use this I apply to the requirements. So it will directly apply this here. Okay. Now add this prompt. Tag the file using create context. Sorry, requirements.md. Okay, and then send. It will give this command. Okay, so let's set up this application. You can also click here to run this file in the terminal. So it will directly open a terminal and then run these commands. Okay. Here it is. As you can see, this command is running here. It will take some time to execute this. Let's wait for some few seconds to get it executed. Cursor AI, what it does is like it gives you the commands to create that entire React application, and then okay, so they're also using create React app, but we can also use create white, so that the development environment will be faster. They are using Material UI and Motion React. Okay, we will update the SRC of this application with this SRC. So let's not accept all. So it will update all the files and created the files. This is the basic setup for the weather application. Would you like to continue the implementation of individual components and their subcomponents? Also, you need to sign up on the weather application like weather.com and update the API. Okay, so we logged into the system and here we got the API key. Copy, and then we need to set up it into the env file. Okay, let's create an env file. Okay, so the application is installed and it's running. Now the other commands is running one by one. So now let's change this SRC with the updated SRC. So we will delete this SRC folder and then copy this folder to this. Now we will good to go with this application. Now we will start the application. So it's started running the application and it will execute the application in some seconds, so that we will get an overview of what the cursor AI has written till now, so that we will able to proceed with the next steps. It also initiate a Git repository. We can check in this app.tss like theme provider is given with a theme. There is CSS baseline, a weather provider. Basically, this is the context. Okay, so it's missing these components. Are these components created? No. Let's ask the cursor AI to create these components. Okay, continue to create the rest of the components. So it will create search bar, header, weather, and header, as well as weather display, current weather. Okay, so it will create all this, but it is creating this. Okay, so we need to update the directory of this cursor AI. We will ask scan some few times. So it will create a date filter, header, weather display. Okay. Just move this component directly inside SRC. Okay, let's just ask it here. Fix the issues. Let's check whether it is fixing the issues or not. Okay, wait for some times. I need to update the directory. Also, it is giving the error here. I know why the error is coming, because we are using TypeScript and this project is not configured according to that. Okay, so let's just ask the Copilot to fix this. Getting this error by running npm start command. Fix this. Okay, now let's run this again. I have encountered some of the issues in the application now, but we will ask Cursor AI to fix them. Okay, the application is started, but it's like having some of the issues. Okay, let's ask Claude to fix it. Sorry, I'm saying Claude. It's Cursor AI. Basically, it updated the weather context. Except next thing, okay. Next thing is this search bar. The good thing about this is like it gives the solutions well. I will run this command here and accept all. It will save dependencies. Okay, let's rerun the application. Okay, we're showing material UI error. Okay. Let's fix that also. Okay. So it is asking me to run this command and clear the path script catches and then restart the server. The icon material. Okay. Search bar. Okay. So we are getting errors and we are like asking Cursor to fix them one by one, and then we will update that code by clicking on this exit button, and then again checking any problems is there. So like the two problems are there. First one is for material UI icons and second one is for load edge. So it will update it, and also I need to run that TypeScript clear cache command after this installation completed, or I can just restart the server. Let's close this and then run this command. Okay. Now let's start the server and npm start. Hopefully now the application can start. Meanwhile, the material UI icons library is installing. Okay. Okay, so the application started running. Not just a console, there is no issues in the console. Enter the date. What's happening? I have entered the date. Where is the weather application? Where is the weather data? Okay, so continue with the development fetch for requirement.txt. Okay. Okay, error occurred. Ask this to fix. Okay. by default show the weather information about Delhi, India. Using open weather here, and they are asking us to create weather API. Why? So in services, weather services, you will see open weather map is used. But we are registered on this weather API. Okay, let's add this Swagger tool here in the documentation so that they will be able to use this. For that, you need to click on the settings icons, go to this features and scroll down to docs, then click on add new docs, just paste the link, hit enter, and just give it a name, then confirm. It is indexed. As you mentioned, I have used weather API key. You can just tag the weather API docs. Here it is. You can see weather API docs here mentioned. Docs for the API calling. So it will update the entire code base which is using Open Weather Map API to use weather API, so that it will be easier and authentication is also completed. Accept all. Go to here. Weather application. Okay. So let us ask this to fix. So add a question mark here, but we will not gonna do that. Okay. Now the application is up and running, but we are not getting the data. I am not able to view the weather data by default. Okay, so API is calling, I guess. We're getting data as well for Delhi. Country is Canada. Okay. API is calling perfectly, but I am not able to view the components. Cursor is not able to fix this. Let me fix this issue. Okay, so we are getting header, weather display as well as date filter. Okay, let's go to components, weather display. Okay, here nothing is wrong. We have this component here. Okay, these are dummy components. Let's update the effortlessly with the updated components. Okay, here with header, weather inside weather display. Okay, and date filter is also inside it. This also needs to be deleted. Okay, now it is showing perfectly fine. Delhi, India, -9°C, sunny. Okay, by default it's showing all this data. We want this select date filter to be on the top. move select date to the top and put it in single line with the search bar side by side. Basically we want this location and date selection side by side, otherwise our application is looking good. Let's let the AI will fix it. Accept all. Okay, then refresh. Okay, that's nice. Weather forecast, select location, and then okay, let me search for another location like Guwahati. Okay, what the hell is going on here? Let me check. Okay, let me type some keyword and it will search for the HYQ. Okay, so basically what is going to be done when I search for any city, show me top 5 suggestions, and basically when I click on any of them or hit enter in the search bar, show me the data of that city. Okay, so basically what I asked is to give me suggestions, top 5 suggestions below this snap bar, and then till then the current data will be seeing. When I type any location, it will show me 5 results, and when I click on any of these results, then that data will be shown. Okay, I accepted all. Okay, these are 2 issues. Okay, let's fix them. So pretty much application is like looking good. We can improve this application a little bit so that it will be easier for becoming a production ready application. We will also be deploying this application on Vercel so that you will be able to view it. Okay, okay, so if you get any issue, just type into that. So yeah, as I typed HYD, it's showing Hyderabad, Pakistan, India, hide. Let's click on Hyderabad, India, and showing Hyderabad, India distance. That's a very great thing. And we can also choose the date. I guess it's not updating the data based on the date. Okay, let's check this. I didn't see the data getting updated while changing it. Check, and if needed, fix it. Okay, I'm right, you're right. Okay, actually it is not updating. It is writing code to update the data. Let's check for any issues. Okay, so it's also added loader. Okay, search for Hyderabad. What is this? Okay, Hyderabad, India. Let's change it to 11. Not seeing data. Why so? Is there an issue occurred? Okay, so getting this issue in the terminal. Let's put this issue here. Okay, it will check for any particular error and then update it. Okay. Okay, now data is updating. With this, I also wanted this application to have a better color based on the current weather. Okay, I guess sunny. Okay, show me add a gradient in the weather card based on the current weather situation. Okay, let's wait for the creativity that it built. So it's writing manual code for the gradients for each condition and then updating it based on what the current condition is. Okay, okay, let's check the application. Nice. Okay, let's do it for these 7-day forecast. do the same for the 7 days forecast cards. So it will update it. We will also update this entire application card, making also responsive. Let's check the responsiveness. So it's good in responsiveness, I guess. Yep, it's nice. It's good in responsiveness. In case of light snow, the text is not properly readable. Fix it. And we will also gonna add an image of this. Windows Shift S, so that we will get a screenshot of this page, and then we will add it. Or we can just write fix the readability issues. While creating a production-based ready application, we need to fix all these readability and accessibility issues so that user will not able to face these issues and getting away from this application. Okay? So we need to take care of these things as well. Okay, now it's like a fixed. Okay, I also wanted the time. Add time in the weather card. We also want time here. Okay, let's check if the icons are available or not. Okay, it's updated. Last updated. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's add icons to the properties as well, like humidity, wind, UV index, and these. Add icons to those properties as well. I also want to decrease the size of this and make this more good UI. Okay, let's just update these things and then we will wrap up this entire project. Okay. This is good, this is also good. Make the UI of the website more good looking and attractive. Let the cursor show their creativity. Okay, so it kinds of updated the font and other things. What is this line zoomed over here? Maybe they are provided a border. Decrease the width of date cell. Okay, not so good. Let the code be wrote. Let's check the code. Okay, so here is the max width. Just give it to 300 as well. Okay. Now I guess the application is now full-fledged working. That's nice. And we can also check the Guwahati, India. Okay, nice. So as you can see, we have created an entire weather application in just few minutes in this tutorial using Cursor AI with a good UI. So yeah, that's wrap. So like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.